Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be doing some salt and pepper wings. I've got 6 chicken wings. I've cut them into drumettes and flats. So this is about half of a kg and just a little bit over 1 pound. I've got my green seasoning. You can watch my green seasoning video to see what I've got in it. And then this is my mix of dry seasonings. That's the mixed herbs. Just going to mix these together. So I'm going to leave back about a tablespoon or 15 grams of this for the seasoned flour. So 1 tablespoon I'm setting aside for the flour. Just going to season the wings with the remaining mix spice and then green seasoning. That's the seasoned chicken there. Just going to put this in the fridge and I'll let it sit until it's time to fry these. I'll be doing these with some fresh chilies as well, so just stay tuned and I will see you in the next clip. So now I'm getting ready to fry my wings. Going to take you through what I have. These are my chicken wings. I did line the bowl with plastic wrap. This is for the salt and pepper wings. Once they're done frying, I've got some scallions, 1 garlic clove, half of a medium onion, 2 red chilies, and 1 green. This is the leftover mixed seasoning, so I'm going to use half in the seasoned flour and then I'll use the rest for when I'm frying the onions and chilies up. I've got some cornflour. It's the UK equivalent to what Americans call cornstarch. And I'll be mixing it with some plain flour for my chicken. Half a cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. And half a cup of corn flour. And then going to use about half of the remaining seasoning I have. And that's our seasoned flour done. If you don't want to use corn flour, then you could just use 1 cup of plain flour to fry your wings. But I'm mixing it so that we can get them crispier. Making sure that each chicken is nicely covered. Putting them on a sheet here. That's our wings there, breaded. Just going to clean up and then we'll cut the onions and peppers up and then just start frying these. Just going to slice up the scallion, onion, garlic, and chilies. These are supposed to be medium heat. Not as hot as Scotch bonnet or habaneros, but we'll see. That's the chilies. I'm just going to slice these, but slice them halfway instead of the ring. We'll fry these up and then mix it in with the chicken wings. I'm just going to leave a little bit of the scallions for garnish. I've got a pan heating with some oil, so time to fry our wings up. Got my pan here. Just gonna test it with a little bit of flour. Yep, it's hot, so let's put the wings in. Make sure you dust off any excess flour. Got one more here. Just going to cover this, let them fry for 5 minutes, and then come back and we'll check on them. Turn the stove up so we can crisp them up. It's been 5 minutes, so just going to check on the wings. They are getting nice and brown. Just going to fry them about 3 to 5 minutes more, because wings take about 8 to 10 minutes to fry. They are looking lovely. So chicken is looking lovely now, nice and golden. I've got my wok on. These are our wings. They look nice and crispy. I'm just going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to put a sprinkle of pink Himalayan salt. If you don't like heat, feel free to use less chili peppers, or you can just use maybe about a teaspoon of red chili flakes, but I'm using fresh chilies today. I just want these to cook down, and then we'll add the remaining seasoning left and then the wings. I'm just going to put in the remaining seasoning blend that we have. Just adding back our wings now. just turning the stove off. That's our wings done. Only thing left now to do is just to plate up. So that's the salt and pepper wings. They are looking great. So this is my take on salt and pepper wings with fresh chili peppers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share this video. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.